Hello and welcome to Free Range Cottage.
Hi friends, it's Tanya with Free Range Cottage, and we are on our way to Kansas City to do some thrifting and hit up some thrift stores that some of our viewers, have recommended, and this time we brought the truck, so come along with us. Okay, we're here at the Hillcrest thrift store that was recommended to us, and this one is in Lee's Summit. I guess there are a few around the Kansas City area. So we're gonna go in and see if it lives up to the hype, although I know that it can be different on different days. So we'll see what we find. Big seashell. No. It's not bad. It looks like it's actually, I can't tell if it's a print. I think it's a print. There's actual stitching. Why does it not have a price? I don't see a price on it. What a bummer. Okay, we'll have to ask. I don't know that I'd put it out now, but I'd probably put it out in the spring.
What's
maybe.
The price on that?
$4 on that. Little handmade. Little studio pattern. Yeah. Okay. It hangs, it's got a hanging thing, but okay. This one? Yeah. 8. It's not for the spring. It's got like a little chip right there. That's cute. You have to break it to open it. $4. I do like him. Miss it, mister. Oh yeah, that's a studio pottery. Look. Don't tell me no price. Yeah, $6. Yeah, I like that. $4. Mexico. I think I would probably get that. I'd like to have this, but I don't see a price on it. Sachet around the house in $8. Don't I need it? Do I need it? Wedding dress thing. Boots, right? Is that real leather? $10. Oh yeah, it's the OC isn't that 7.5. Bummer. Those are kind of cute. Kind of moto boots.
nice. What are these? They don't seem like they're really. Yeah, they're $2. Oh, I like that one. And the end is like that. Let's see if it'll fit me. You don't need to video me. This is a cute bag. Oh, look, I won't be looking at these. Bookmobiles are for sale.
What are bookmobiles?
I don't know. Not sure what they are. They're probably gone. The shelf is not for sale. What's this? Oh, cookbook? Okay. Pippin. Santa Fe, pretty neat. Shows a lot of stuff from the area. Okay, Hillcrest did not disappoint. So let me show you what I found. $4. And tomorrow they're having half off the entire store. And I don't think we'll be back to this one, but we might go to a different one. So I loved this wire tray, and that was $4. And then a vintage purse, or vintage style. I'm not sure if it's actual vintage. It's extremely clean. Let's see what it says. Doesn't say on there. Okay, so that was $4, but super cute with the wood handle, and it's got actual sort of crewel embroidery on it, and a really cute belt. I'm always on the lookout for nice belts because they can be really expensive, and I love them when they have this kind of buckle on there, and that was $2. And what else? Oh, he wrapped it all up so nice, but now I have to undo it. Rob's gonna unwrap it and wrap it back up. First was this horseshoe trivet, and it's a good luck one, and it's Francoma pottery, and that was $4. Very cute, kind of a green brown. And this was a lot of pottery finds. I was really excited. This, for my bunny collectors out there, $4, studio pottery. Thought that was just really cute, especially once spring rolls around, or if you decorate with a lot of blue and white and you love bunnies, you might like that one. And this little hand-painted bank, almost looks like Mexican pottery. I think it might be. This was $4, but I love the brown and cream together, and isn't he cute? And it's the kind that you would fill if you actually use it, and you would have to break it to get your money out. So I probably wouldn't put anything in it because he's so cute. And chinoiserie, which I absolutely love to find, but I usually don't in our area. So this was a really pretty dish, or sort of a longer bowl, and that was also $4, which I thought was a great deal. And there's a marking on it here. Don't know if you can see that. It's not in English, so I'm not sure where that comes from, but I really like the bowl. And again, for my bunny or rabbit lovers, these little terracotta little dishes, $3. There's a set of 4. These would be cute for coasters or just a little dish. And they have a bunny stamp on them. I haven't opened them, but I'm assuming it's bunnies all the way through. And then the last one found these little pottery plates, or they could be coasters, or you could put a candle on them. I just thought they were really cute, and like a heavy terracotta pottery, sort of that garden style outdoor in. And go ahead and move that.
Could you pause, please?
Okay, next I found this gorgeous, I think maybe Rob spotted it first, but it's got hand wrapped wire on it, and it's sort of a robin egg, real light blue, and it was made in the Philippines, and that was $15, but it is big and heavy, and I just really loved it, and I was afraid to leave it and try to come back for it tomorrow because I'm afraid it would be gone. And then I found a couple of great things in the clothing. They had a lot of nice clothes. And this was $12. I honestly do not think it's been worn at all. It's a Ralph Lauren and gorgeous, gorgeous black denim jacket. And you can see all the detail on it. It's just beautiful. I tried it on. It fits really nice. And look at the closures here. Just beautiful, high-end finishes on it. It's beautiful. How many times can I say beautiful? Okay.
Is it beautiful?
And then this heavy silver plate tray. I don't normally go for these, but this one was so heavy and so nice that and it didn't have a price on it, and they took it in the back room and he brought it back out for $6, and you can see it's big and nice for the holidays, I would think. So I went ahead and got that. And the last one is a London fog, which I was so excited to find because I know those are extremely well made. It looks like I may have to reinforce the buttons here a little bit, but no big deal. Nothing's coming off or anything, but it is in excellent condition. Doesn't look like it's been worn, or maybe worn once or something, but you can see the beautiful detailing on it. And look at this sleeve with that seam down and this velvet cuff sleeve. So stunning. And it was $8, and I can't even imagine how much it would cost new. It's fully lined. Gorgeous, gorgeous.
So that was my haul for today. I hope you enjoyed it and come back for more.